Hello everyone, in this video, I will walk you through how to connect your Hostinger domain to Emergent AI. First, log into your Emergent AI dashboard and open your project. When your project is ready, click on Deploy. On the next screen, choose Start Deployment. It will show that each deployment costs 50 credits per month. A confirmation box will appear. Click Deploy Now. The setup will run for about 5 to 7 minutes. After the deployment finishes, look for the Custom Domain section and click Link Domain. A field will appear. Type in the Hostinger domain you want to use. Next, you will be prompted to configure DNS records. We will configure the DNS records manually. Open a new tab and log in to your Hostinger account. Go to Domains, select your domain, and click on DNS Settings. On the Emergent AI dashboard, you will see the required DNS records displayed, usually including a SNAME or A record. In Hostinger, click Add Record. If Emergent AI gives you an A record, choose A as the type, enter the host value exactly as shown, and paste the IP address provided by Emergent AI in the points to field. If it gives a name record, select name as the type, enter the host provided, and paste the target value. After this step, the connection process will begin. It can take up to 48 hours for DNS changes to fully apply. You can track the status directly from your Emergent AI dashboard. When everything is active, your Emergent AI project will be live on your Hostinger domain. Thanks for watching.